whatever you're doing online, whether it's looking for work and sending out your resume or selling anything or actually doing any of those, both of those, any person can do both of those, doing any kind of business, looking for work.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
People will look you up. And actually, funny enough, like for this search, 101 person searched in the last 28 days. I've got some stalkers, but anyway, that's not what I wanted to show you here. The second organic result is LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is your online resume. And in the next few videos, we're going to explore exactly how to make your LinkedIn online resume stand out to make you look like $1 million so that people want to hire you, do business with you, and trust you. Trust is the first thing that you have to earn before anyone takes the next step. And it really actually starts with your blurb, because see, people here can learn a little bit about you before even clicking. So you have to have a good byline name, and what you write about yourself in the very first parts of your LinkedIn description actually will come up here. And in the next few videos, we're gonna go over the A to Z of how to set everything up so that your LinkedIn is spotless. You've got your recommendations, endorsements, your experience looks amazing, everything, so that everyone who comes across your LinkedIn will be wowed and they'll want to pursue working with you.